still me and my friend, plus one random, as you can see, slippery still. As I mentioned in the previous video, it was great fun. The go-karts are with racing spikes in the front and normal car spikes at the back, but a few more of them than on a usual car. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. I did. So as you can see, no one is immune to spinning out. Push it a little bit too far and whoopee! I don't know the top speed of these go-karts, and as I say, this is not a timed event. We are not doing this to go fastest around the track, even though we are pushing it as fast as we can, but it's more for the fun of it, more for sliding, more for the laughs. I don't know the top speed of these go-karts on this track are, but I reckon they are the same as what they have in the go-kart center we are using in the summertime. Thus they are doing 55-60 kilometers an hour, I reckon, but not on spiked tires and not on ice. Also, you may have noticed there is a lot of spray from our go-karts. Due to the spikes, we are tearing up quite a bit of the ice, and this stuff is gathering outside where we are driving. You can see clear ice some places, and you can see there is a lot of rubby stuff where we haven't driven that much. You can hear the engine have to work harder when we get out in there. You can see the speed is really slowing down. That's also the stuff that makes the problems I was talking in the last video with throttle jamming. Luckily for us, we didn't have much problems with it. I had a small incident coming in the next video. And talking about the next video, this one is almost at an end. This was in Hebbes racetrack in Eggedal. It was Eggedal Gokart that was hosting it. I hope you enjoyed it. I did.